33 Hybrid quinoa salad with avocado. Quinoa is one of the only plant sources that provides you with a complete protein. Quinoa is pretty plain until you jazz it up with flavor from herbs and spices. Enjoy this salad as a main or a side. Ingredients: 1 cup dry quinoa, 1 bunch of parsley, chopped, 1 bunch of mint, chopped, 1 bunch of cilantro, chopped, 2 cups of cherry tomatoes, halved, 1 cup, 7 stalks, of asparagus, cooked and chopped, steamed, microwaved or roasted, 1 avocado, diced dressing, juice of 1/2 lemon, zest of 1 lemon, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon olive oil, salt and pepper, optional, toasted pine nuts. Directions: 1. Rinse quinoa. Transfer to a medium saucepan with 2 cups of water. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat to low and simmer until water has been absorbed, about 15 to 20 minutes. 2. Whisk together olive oil, lemon juice, lemon zest, and soy sauce. 3. In a large bowl, toss together quinoa, chopped herbs, tomatoes, asparagus and the sauce. Add avocado and dash of salt and pepper. 4. Add pine nuts if desired and serve immediately or store in the fridge for 5 days. 1 fist equals 1 yellow light, 1 green light, 1 thumb. Pine nuts equals 1 red light. Recipe serves 2 for 34. Traditional Greek salad. The fresh flavors of Greece without going on a plane can be created on your plate with this filling and colorful salad. Ingredients: dressing, 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 tablespoon red wine vinegar, 1 teaspoon